Hello everyone, let's look at this problem. Equals 40. Okay, um we cannot express 40 in this form, right? But one thing you should know is from the left hand side here, this is the same thing as 4 to the power of x multiplied by 4 to the power of -2, and this is equal to 40, right? Okay, then if we continue from here, okay, if you're asking how are they the same, if you pick one of the bases, you have to add the powers and it gives you this. So we are good from there, right? Now, this is 4 to the power of x multiplied by 4 to the power of -2 is 1 over 4 to the power of 2, and this is equal to 40. If we continue, we have 4 to the power of x multiplied by 1 over 16, and it's equal to 40. Okay, so at this point we can cross multiply, and if we do that, this will multiply this and 4x will be alone. 4 to the power of x will be alone rather. So if we cross multiply, 4 to the power of x will be equal to 4 times 16, and that will give us 640. Now at this point we can take the log of both sides. So we have log 4 to the power of x equals log 640. Mind you, I can simplify this. Since we have 4 here, we're going to have x log 4 because the power will go behind, and this is equal to log. I can bring out a couple of 4s from 640. So we have 4 times 4, 16 times 4 again, 64, then times 10, right? So this is what it is, and this means we have x log 4 to be equal to log 4 to the power of 3 times 10. And then remember what we do, we are going to apply another law here. If we are multiplying, you are going to add the logs. So x log 4 is equal to log 4 to the power of 3 plus log 10. If we still continue, then we have x log 4. Remember what we did to get x here, right? We will do the same to bring 3 to the front. So we have 3 log 4, then plus log 10. If I continue, then I have x log 4 being equal to 3 log 4 plus, here we have log 10, and log 10 is the same thing as 1 because this is log to base 10, so we have log 10 to base 10, which will give us 1. To continue with this, we need to divide both sides by log 4, or divide all through by log 4. So we divide this by log 4, then we divide this by log of 4. This is going to go with this will go with this, and then we have x to be equal to 3 plus 1 over log 4. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, so this is what we have, but we can still process this because this is the same thing as x equals 3 plus 1 is the same as log 10. Then we have that over log 4. Then you can apply change of base, and x will be 3 plus log 10 to the base of 4. This 4 right here becomes the base. But remember that this and this are still the same thing, right? Now let's put this into the equation. This is the value of x now. So we're going to put this value of x into the equation and then we confirm, right? Now this is what I want us to do. Okay, let's go back to the equation. Okay, so this is the equation, and the first step we took, we got 4 to the power of x times 4 to the power of -2 equals 40. I believe you know how we got this. Then we have 4 to the power of x rather equals 40 times 16. I believe you know how we got this, because this is the same as 1 over 16. So the 16 will multiply 40. And now 4 to the power of x is equal to 640. Now we have it in a simple form. What is the value of x that we just got? X is 3 plus log 10 to base 4. Now let's put it into this, as we have 4 to the power of 3 plus log 10 to the base of 4 equals 640. Right? Now, should this be equal to 640? That is a question, right? Now, 4 to the power of 3, this is 4 to the power of 3 multiplied by 4 to the power of log 10 to base 4. Now, this 4 to the power of 3 is 64, because it is 4 times 4 times 4, then multiply by log to base 4. We'll go with the log, we'll go with this 4. And now we have this to multiply by 10, right? And 64 multiplied by 10 is giving us 640. Okay, trust me, that is what we had on the right hand side of the equation. So we are good to say that our x is equal to 3 plus log 10 to the base of 4, right? Which we said is the same thing as 3 plus 1 over log 4, right? So any one of these is the same thing. You can confirm this with your calculator. 1 over log 4. Is it the same thing to log 10 to base 4? If your calculator is smart enough to, pick other bases apart from base 10. Thank you for watching to the end. And if you love my method, say something at the comment section, or you subscribe to my channel. You can equally do both of them, right? Thank you.